Plain old telephone service, or POTS lines, are quickly becoming obsolete as carriers decommission copper networks. A recent survey reveals that nearly 90% of enterprises are already moving to replace these lines to reduce liability, ensure compliance, and cut costs. Most organizations rely on POTS lines for critical safety systems like fire alarm panels, elevator phones, and building entry systems. However, increased monthly service costs, integration issues with new technologies, and decreased reliability are driving the urgency to find alternatives. In fact, 86% of decision makers were already aware that POTS lines are being phased out. Security and compliance concerns top the list of challenges, with nearly 2/3 of organizations citing them as extremely important. Network infrastructure limitations and the risk of business disruption also weigh heavily. To address these issues, over half of organizations plan to consult IT vendors and partners, ensuring a smooth transition while maintaining existing safety devices. By acting swiftly and seeking expert guidance, organizations can avoid costly disruptions, achieve regulatory compliance, and realize significant cost savings. The right solution allows businesses to keep their current safety systems, integrate with new technologies, and ensure reliable, secure communications for the future. Provision provides expert advisory services for IT asset management and procurement,